Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are making a chocolate sweet potato almond loaf. So this is kind of my take on a healthier chocolate cake loaf kind of recipe. We are adding a substantial amount of sweet potato that I've roasted and mashed. I always have some sweet potatoes in my fridge, so I thought let me try something sweet with it, and I thought that this would be a really great combination, and it turned out that it really is. It's really delicious. It's quite fudgy, it's chocolatey, not a lot of ingredients. It's a one bowl recipe. You can customize the sweetener. I used maple syrup. You guys can use any sweetener you like. We're using, I think, about 3 eggs in the recipe, so there's a good amount of protein, almond flour. We're using ground flax for some extra fiber, nutrients, omega-3s. So it's just a good for you kind of chocolate cakey kind of loaf. So I hope you guys give this one a try. Before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. It really does help our channel grow. So let's learn how to make this chocolate sweet potato almond loaf.
You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x4 baking pan. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to toast our almond flour. This is 2 cups of almond flour. I'm going to add this to a parchment lined baking sheet, spread it out evenly, and we're going to toast this in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes until it's lightly golden. This step is optional. For this recipe, we will need 1 cup of mashed sweet potato, 3 eggs, these are large eggs, room temperature, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, use whatever sweetener you like. This is our 2 cups of toasted almond flour, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/3 cup of ground flax. We will need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Use whatever chocolate chips you like. In a medium to large bowl, we are going to add our 3 eggs, our sweet potato. You could also use pumpkin puree for the recipe, or even mashed butternut squash. This is our maple syrup. And we're just going to grab our whisk and just whisk these ingredients until they're nicely combined. Also, please add 2 teaspoons of good quality vanilla. Next, we are going to add our cinnamon, baking powder, and salt, and we are going to whisk that through very well until it's nicely incorporated. Next, we're going to add our cocoa powder, and we're just going to whisk that through. And once it's incorporated, we are going to add our flax and our almond flour. And using a spatula or a spoon, we're just going to mix this until it is just combined. And then I will add my chocolate chips and mix those through. Try not to overmix this batter. This batter is quite thick and dense. We are going to add this to our baking pan, and we're just going to spread out the top evenly. I like to add some flaky almonds. You could also add an additional 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. You can add pecans, other seeds, whatever you like, or you could just leave it as is. We're going to bake at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. Here is our chocolate sweet potato almond loaf. It is fudgy, it is chocolatey, it is so delicious.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this chocolate sweet potato almond loaf, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below, as well as a link to our recipe blog. So thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.